Topic: composition. Can a person getting rental income opt for composition, and if yes, at what rate the tax needs to be discharged? To answer this question, we should first understand that there are two schemes under composition. First scheme, where restaurant services are taxable at 5% and other services and goods are taxable at 1%. To qualify for this scheme, the person's aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year should not exceed rupees 1.5 crores. Of course, for special category states, the threshold is 75 lakhs. And the value of rental income together with any other services, if any, of course excepting the restaurant services, it must not exceed 10% of the turnover in the state or rupees 5 lakhs, whichever is higher. And all other conditions with respect to the scheme of composition must be fulfilled. If this is fulfilled, then the rate of tax will be 1% even on the rental income. Now, the legal provisions are contained in second proviso to section 10 subsection 1, which was amended by the CGST Amendment Act 2018, which says that a person may opt for composition even if he is supplying services other than the restaurant services and the value of such service does not exceed 10% of the turnover in the state or 5 lakhs, whichever is higher. So the rates of composition, we can find it in Rule 7 to the CGST rules, which was amended by notification number 3/2019. And for manufacturers, it is 1%, 0.5% CGST, 0.5% SGST, and for restaurant services, it is 5%. 2.5% CGST, 2.5% SGST, and any other supplier eligible for composition levy under section 10. So again, it is 1% of the turnover of taxable supply of goods as well as services, that is 0.5% CGST, 0.5% SGST. If we look at the second scheme, which is the new scheme of composition at 6%, for that, the conditions to be fulfilled is the aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year must not have exceeded rupees 50 lakhs, and other conditions which are specified with respect to this new scheme of composition should be fulfilled. In such a case, the rate of tax will be 6%. In fact, Finance Act 2019 brought in this amendment by inserting a subsection 2A to section 10. Even before this, the notification 2/2019 provided for this new composition scheme. However, it was inserted in the Act in this manner, and the condition is that it should not exceed 50 lakh rupees. So, those cases where the composition scheme, the first composition scheme, the person is not fitting into that scheme, he may consider if he is eligible under this new scheme. Again, notification 2/2019 condition number 6 specifies the rate for this new scheme as 3% CGST, 3% SGST. Let's take a couple of illustrations. Good traders have the following transactions in the financial year: sale of taxable goods rupees 1 crore, rent from commercial property 10 lakhs. Now, the turnover becomes 1 crore 10 lakhs. I am presuming all the other conditions of this composition scheme are fulfilled, and up to 10% will be 11 lakhs or 5 lakhs, whichever is higher. Since it fits into the upper cap of 11 lakhs, the good traders would be eligible for composition in this illustration, and the rate of tax on both the transactions will be 1%. Let's take another example where sale of taxable goods is 1 crore but rent from commercial property is 18 lakhs. In this case, turnover is 1 crore 18 lakhs, but the upper cap is 11 lakh 80,000. Since it exceeds the upper cap, good traders cannot opt for a composition, but they have to go for regular registration. Let's take third illustration where taxable goods value sale is 25 lakhs and rent from commercial property is 20 lakhs. In this case, they are eligible for the new composition scheme because their turnover is within 50 lakhs and the rate for both the transactions will be 6%. Let's take the final illustration where sale of taxable goods is 35 lakhs and rent from commercial property is 20 lakhs. In this case, since the turnover exceeded 55 lakhs, they are not eligible for the even under the new scheme of composition. Hence, they do not have a choice but to go for regular registration. Thank you.